Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your health coaching sessions with Noom, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify your health coaching sessions with Noom, start by logging into your Noom account. Navigate to the main dashboard where you can find an overview of your progress. Look for the coaching section in the menu. Click on coaching to access your coach's profile. Once on your coach's profile, review your scheduled sessions. Check the dates and times to ensure they align with your records. If necessary, refer to your personal calendar for confirmation. Next, click on the session details to see any notes or assignments provided by your coach. Take note of any specific objectives outlined during those sessions. If you have attended the sessions, document your reflections on the progress made. In case of discrepancies, reach out directly to your health coach for clarification. Use the messaging feature within Noom to send a detailed inquiry. Clearly outline any areas of confusion regarding your coaching sessions. Once your coach responds, keep a record of the conversation for future reference. If you are unable to resolve issues through your coach, contact Noom's support team. Look for the help section in the app for support contact information. Submit a formal request for assistance regarding session verification. Include all relevant details such as session dates and communication with your coach. Follow up if you don't hear back within the expected time frame. Keep a log of all your communications for clarity and record keeping. With these steps, you'll ensure that your health coaching experience with Noom is verified and accurate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.